Kagame who is saying it. As heads of state, in a meeting, we asked M23, the people in there, are they Rwandese or they are Congolese? And DRC said, these are Congolese. End of question. So if these are Congolese, how does it become a Rwanda problem? How does it become a Kagame problem? I think since it is settled that M23 are Congolese, it is a Congolese problem, and therefore we need a Congolese solution. And in our opinion, listening to all the sides, whether it is using the Luanda process or the Nairobi peace process, the Nairobi peace process I can speak authoritatively because I have attended some of the meetings. M23 want to be involved in the dialogue. They are saying, why are you locking us out? We are Congolese. We have issues. We want to talk to our government. I don't find any better outcome